Are you looking for a job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Hello and welcome to Rhythm. I'm Shreya Savajay and you're watching our special segment Career Canvas, your ultimate source for job vacancies and career opportunities. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell and join our ever-growing community of career enthusiasts. Let's begin. National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited is seeking executives for deputation or immediate absorption basis. The available positions are Group General Manager for Safety and General Manager for S&T. For more information about the experience, eligibility criteria, application process and any updates or amendments, interested candidates should visit the career section of the NCRTC website at www.ncrtc.in. Krishi Vigyan Kendra has announced openings for the positions of Senior Scientist cum Head and Assistant Office Superintendent cum Accountant. The qualifications and eligibility criteria vary for each position. For detailed information, interested candidates can visit the official website of KVK Pravara at www.kvkpravara.com. Delhi Police Housing Corporation Limited is seeking applications for the positions of Assistant Executive Engineer in Civil and Assistant Executive Engineer in Electrical. For further information and application details, interested candidates can visit the official website of DPHCL at www.dphcl.com. Indian Institute of Information Technology, Raichur, is inviting applications from qualified candidates with outstanding teaching and research qualifications for the positions of assistant professor. The online application form and detailed advertisement can be found on the institute's website. The deadline for submitting online application is May 31, 2024. Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited has vacancies for several positions including Chief Welfare Officer in the grade of Manager, Welfare Officer and Safety Officer in the grade of Deputy Manager. The eligibility criteria, post qualifications and age limit vary for each post. For further details, please visit their website at www.brbnmpl.co.in. The Ministry of Civil Aviation Bureau of Civil Aviation Security has invited applications from officers serving under the central or state governments, union territories, central armed police forces, public sector undertakings, recognized research institutions, universities, semi-government or statutory or autonomous organizations to fill up various posts including Joint Director, Regional Director, Deputy Director, Assistant Director and Senior Aviation Security Officer. Detailed information such as general conditions, eligibility criteria and age limit can be found on the BCAS website at bcasindia.gov.in. Vasanta College for Women, which is affiliated with Banaras Hindu University, is seeking applications for permanent teaching and non-teaching positions. Teaching positions include assistant professors in various subjects such as education, music, instrumental and vocal, Hindi, economics, home science and English. Non-teaching positions include multitasking staff, lower division clerk and tabla accompanist. For detailed information regarding qualifications, eligibility criteria and general instructions, interested candidates can visit the college's website at www.vasantakfi.ac.in. The Government of India, Department of Consumer Affairs, National Test House is inviting applications from graduates and postgraduates for various positions including Senior Young Professional Technical, location Ghaziabad, Junior Young Professional Technical, location Guwahati, Junior Young Professional Management, location Kolkata. For detailed information regarding qualifications, experience, tenure and other requirements, interested candidates are advised to visit the detailed advertisement on the official website at www.nth.gov.in. The Directorate General Body Security Force has invited applications for Group A post in the BSF Air Wing. The available positions include Deputy Chief Engineer Commandant, Senior Aircraft Maintenance Engineer Second in Command, Assistant Commandant, Logistics. Eligible candidates, whether serving or retired from various ministries or departments of the Government of India, state governments, or public sector undertakings can apply for these positions. For more details regarding eligibility criteria, application process and other information, interested candidates are advised to visit the BSF website at www.bsf.gov.in. The Intelligence Bureau under the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India has announced vacancies in the Accounts Cadre, Group A and B. The available positions include Senior Accounts Officer and Accountant. These positions are available on a deputation basis. The initial tenure deputation will be 3 years, extendable up to a maximum of 7 years. For detailed information regarding eligibility, application process, and other details, please visit the official website of the Ministry of Home Affairs at www.mha.gov.in. So that wraps up today's updates, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in the loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you have enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.